Have you been applying for virtual assistant job and nobody is replying? You send application after application, but all you hear is silence. Or maybe you're tired of paying people to rewrite your CV every few months. When I first started off, it was a challenge, many years back, trying to come up with an ATS compliant, CV. I paid people and even I didn't get some of the jobs, till I learned how to use Cloudy and ChatGPT to come up with an ATS friendly CV with just the right prompt. So today I will show you how to create an ATS friendly virtual assistant resume using ChatGPT or Cloudy, and it's completely free. And no, we are not using any complicated resume tools. We're not paying for any expensive CV services. We're going practicals. I will show you exactly how to find a real virtual assistant job post on LinkedIn. I've already found one so that the video will not be too, long, but I'm going to show you, how to do that. Then we'll use ChatGTP or Cloudy to build a professional virtual assistant resume. We're going to tailor your resume to a specific job, review it, like a recruiter. So right now I need you to open your laptop and follow me step by step as I do it and create your resume. If also you have not subscribed to my channel, do yourself a favor to subscribe to my channel. This is actually a paid course, for my academy. I decided to just host it on YouTube, and it's going to be these courses will be there for just a while before I bring it down because I'm testing something. So subscribe. Every week I upload videos that will help you find jobs on Upwork, give you strategies of how I landed my roles, and also I teach on tools, on different tools that you need as a virtual assistant, as a workflow automation expert, and as someone that wants to go into AI. But before we jump into creating, the resume, let me quickly, explain what when you hear ATS, what does ATS really mean? Now, what does ATS mean? ATS means Applicant Tracking System. Most companies do not manually read every resume immediately. Just like how you can see you see jobs on LinkedIn, you already have over 100 people that have applied. In some cases, over 1,000, people have applied for that role. So tell me, if you're the owner of that company, will you start going through that CV one by one? So now what do they do? So they use a software to scan the resumes. So the software checks if your resume matches with the job description. It scans for keywords, for skills, for experience, for job titles, and for tools. That's what makes LinkedIn job application very stressful, because each time you're supposed to apply for a role, you're actually supposed to come up with a CV that aligns with that role you're applying for, because of this issue. So you see the reason why it's looking as though you're applying for jobs on LinkedIn and you're not getting, any, responses. So this is what makes it extremely very stressful for, people like me. Why I don't, preach it, too much to people. Mostly for starters, I always preach Upwork or Fiverr, because on these platforms all you need to write is a cover letter. You necessarily don't need to come up with a CV, to tailored to the job description. So I already have, this is the role that I want to apply for. Is an administrative and executive support, role. And if you look on the screen, you will see the role responsibility. The clients, stated what he or she is looking for. He said review, analyze business documents, standard operating procedure reports, and workflows to extract key information. Create clear structured questions and insights based on the analyzed materials. Perform basic, blah blah blah. Also gave requirements of what, he's actually looking for. Have a professional experience in at least one of the specified business domains such as operations, finance, or customer support. Possess strong reading and comprehension and analytical skill. Demonstrates excellent written verbal communication skill, in English. By the time you finish going through these requirements, you now know how, because you're going to prompt ChatGTP or Cloudy, you now know exactly, how to prompt them. So I already came up with this, prompts, that says act as an elite corporate recruiter specializing in remote talent acquisition. I'm going to paste a remote job, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. I wrote for him. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this. So I'm going to copy this. I've already pasted, the job, description. So I'll copy this. I'm going to paste it in ChatGTP so that they can do this. I want them to analyze. Why ChatGTP is analyzing, let's move to Cloudy. Let Cloudy also analyze. So they are both analyzing. So they are done analyzing. We can't start going through what they analyzed, but from what I'm seeing, you need to have a Microsoft Excel, in fact, what they call it now, Google Workspace, skill. You need to be skilled in using Google Docs, Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, digital office platforms, like, of course. So that's it. So what we can now do is that you can now put together your own data, because the next prompt will we are actually now telling Cloudy and ChatGTP, excellent analysis. Now look at real world local office work history posted, below. I want you to rewrite my job duties into four. So at this point, I think we're gonna use we're gonna need, your data. So I'll pause the video, impute all my data so that the video is not too long. So when you are also doing yours, you do same. For this prompt I use, if you need it, please comment below for me to send you the prompt. I will send you this, the doc, so that you can have it, and use it to come up with your own video. So I'll go ahead now and pause it. I would include the different virtual assistant, skills that I have. Then, if you're also starting up and maybe you have not actually worked virtually, but you have worked, like, you've actually worked, in an organized, whether it's a small firm, is a big firm, and maybe you played the role of, a personal assistant to somebody. You're a virtual assistant. When people say virtual assistant, they think is one that you must work remotely. No, you can be working with somebody as a PA, as an aide. That's virtual assistant role. But the difference is that you are going to a physical, office. So you can add all those datas, for ChatGTP to say, okay, oh, in my previous role, I've worked so place. So right now we're going to provide all our data, name, your school, provide ChatGTP or Cloudy with all this info. And of course, the experiences that you have, and they will come up with a CV for you. So I will pause the video, do that, then we will come back and continue. As I said earlier on, please do not tell me I don't have an experience. Please. Please. Managing your social media, that's an experience. You're managing your social media is doing very well. That is a social media manager experience. You've worked as a sales girl or as a sales boy. That is an experience. It's a marketing experience for some people and some an administrative experience because they get to, you know, keep the books, do the bookkeeping, ensure at the end of the day they balance, at the end of the day. Whether you've worked in church, some people work in church as an admin, staff, that is an experience. They get to maybe call people, oh, you were not in church today, that is also an experience. So don't tell me you don't have an experience. So I'm true in putting my data and my experiences. So I will now go ahead and click send for ChatGTP to generate. Go ahead and do same for Cloudy to generate. So they are both they are both working. So when they're done, we'll now look at it and you know, okay. So ChatGTP said he's done. So even asks for me to download the PDF. So let's look at what ChatGTP generated. Why is it saying sites cannot be found? Okay. So this is what ChatGTP generated, you know, with professional summary. So he has written this CV to align with what the client is looking for. These are my work, experiences. Then this is my education. So that's it. Now let's look at Cloudy. Cloudy is still trying to Cloudy is still trying to build. I used to like how Cloudy actually builds because I use it a lot for even to come up with SOP. Cloudy is done. I use it a lot for SOP. So let me download so we can also take a look. Yeah, see what Cloudy did. So this is what Cloudy did. You see it? If you see what Cloudy did, you see that it's more cloudy, it's more should I say professional? Should I say I love it? I love how Cloudy, builds. So this is absolutely amazing. So this should actually pass, any ATS software. You should pass it. So you see that coming up with your own, CV shouldn't be a big deal because by the time you start using paid tools, you start paying people to come up with CV, for you, how much are you going to spend? And of course, you're just starting up. So this is actually, a way for you to come up with your own CV, come up with your own CV and apply. Jobs on LinkedIn are free. You don't have to pay like Upwork that has to do with connects. You keep applying, and definitely one day a client will reach back, will hire for will request for an interview and will hire you. And the truth is that jobs on LinkedIn pay, very high, and the jobs on LinkedIn are sustainable because most times people that hire you on LinkedIn are companies that are actually, looking for people that, have, soft skill that can work with them virtually. Unlike Upwork, that is more of contract based. A client can hire you for just 3 months, and a client, say, oh, for now, I'm good. I'll get back to you when I have more tax. But most of the times, that's not the case for LinkedIn. If you want a permanent job, you know, you get it more on LinkedIn. So that's it for CV writing. Then if you want help, optimizing your virtual assistant profile, your resume, your Upwork profile, LinkedIn proposal, or you need coaching to start landing remote job, feel free to contact me. I would do my best to help. And I actually have a paid, you know, I can do a one-on-one with you. Is actually the training is paid, but is on a subsidized, price. But if you don't have money for that, that's fine. Stick to this channel. I would definitely every week do my best to come up with videos that I know that are in demand, that people need help, because that's basically, what I'm about. Because when I started off, I needed a lot of help, and I came into I will search on Google, search on YouTube, and most of the times I'm not really getting what I want. People teaching on optimization, how to come up with CVs. Some of all these videos I'm doing are things I kept on doing, try and error, till I got it right. Mostly with this CV writing. I didn't realize that, ChatGPT could come up with an ATS friendly CV for me. I spent money paying for ATS tools, and of course, at the end of the day, it's not like you're sure of getting the job. So that could be very painful. So that's the reason why this channel, that's what this channel is about. It's about helping people land roles on LinkedIn, land roles on Upwork. Please subscribe, please share, and of course spread the news. If there are people that are interested in working remotely, tell them you know a channel that can help them start. I add most of all these videos in a particular playlist, so the person can watch how to sign up on Upwork from the scratch, how to optimize the Upwork, and how to also um search for jobs on Upwork, to ensure the person gets a client that will rate the person very well. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Please comment if you need the prompts, and I will send them to you.